Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior problem isn't quick. If you want to fix it, first open File Explorer and then click here and type local app data and then just click enter and that's it. Scroll down until you find Roblox, then select those three files and click delete. After that go to versions and once you're here make sure to select the recently updated folder. Here's it, click on it and then go to app settings and click delete. And if you can't find here app settings, just delete the entire folder, click delete, and that's it. Now restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.